In this video, I will show you how to change the country in the Western Union app. So first, simply go and open up the Western Union app, and there's two ways that you can do this. First, you can change the country that you are sending to. You can do that by clicking on send money. Now you can see at the top for me it's set to send to Cape Verde. If I want to change this, just click on the drop down and select whichever country you want, for example the Philippines. And now I've changed the sending country to Philippines. Now, if I want to change my own country, so my account's country, then I need to click menu in the top right. Then here at the bottom right, click on profile. And then here you have your account details. Now from here you will see your nationality, so you can just pick your nationality. For example, for me it will be the Netherlands right here. So then I can click update in the bottom, and then I have changed my own country. So now you know how to change country in Western Union app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.